Hey YouTubers, it's Sam again, and today I'm going to show you how to get a Facebook icon on your PSP XMB menu, which I think is pretty cool because it's kind of like having a Facebook app on your PSP. And it's basically like what I just showed you. It just shows up under Network on your PSP XMB menu. So today I'm going to show you how to get that on your PSP. Now, this does require custom firmware, so make sure you have that. And also, this can damage your PSP. I highly doubt it will. It worked for me, and I'm about 98% sure it'll work for you too. But I just want to say that if anything happens to your PSP, if anything bad happens to it, I'm not responsible. So if you want to do this, go ahead. But if anything bad happens, that's your problem, and I'm not responsible. Okay, so now that I've clarified that, let's begin. Okay, so first thing you want to do is on the right of this video, in the video description, click on the first link in the video description. You may have to click more info in the description until the link shows up, but click on the first link and it'll take you to this page. And what you want to do is, let me zoom in. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is right there in the upper right hand corner, you're going to type in that code. So this one says CWK1. And you want it to be in lowercase, not capitals. So once you do that, just click download file. And then you're going to have to wait like 40 seconds or so. I'm just going to skip this though, so that way we can get right to the downloading. Okay, so once it's done downloading, regular download will appear. All you're going to do is click that, and then you're going to want it to end up on your desktop or somewhere where you can find the file. Okay, so I already downloaded it. It'll only take a minute to download. It's a really small file, so it'll only take a minute to download. But I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to go straight to the desktop. Okay, so once you're on your desktop, you're going to have, the little file. It's going to say Facebook. Now you may need WinRAR to extract it, which is an extraction wizard, and I'll be providing a second link in the description if you want to download WinRAR. So basically, since I have WinRAR, it shows a little stack of books as the Facebook thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it and click extract here. Okay, so once you get that, you're going to get a little Facebook folder. If you want, you could get rid of that little WinRAR folder. Just drag it to your desktop. Your recycle bin, sorry. Okay, so then you're going to have this Facebook icon. So basically what you're going to want to do is plug in your PSP to USB mode. Okay, so you're going to attach it, and once you put it in USB mode on your PSP, this little thing should pop up. You're just going to click Open Folders to view files. And so basically you want to get to the root of your memory stick on your PSP, and then you're going to open up the PSP folder, then the game folder, and what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get the little Facebook thingy right there, and you're just going to want to drag it on into your PSP game folder. And I already did that, so I'm not going to do it because I already did it. Okay, so once it's in the PSP game folder on your PSP, you're going to exit out of USB mode by simply pressing O on your PSP, and now I'll show you the rest of the steps. Okay, so once you're on your PSP XMB menu, simply go to Game, go to Memory Stick, and somewhere at the top there should be the Facebook icon thingy. You're going to press X to start it up like a regular game. And by the way, I already did this, so I'm just going to explain it. I'm not going to actually do it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to start it up. It's going to ask you whether you want to continue or bail out. If you're sure you want to do this, then press X, and basically a black menu will come up, and it'll start flashing the files to your PSP, so that way the Facebook icon will appear. And just let it finish, and it will say it'll say something like completed, now crashing your PSP. Now when it says crashing your PSP, it just means shutting it off. So it doesn't mean it's breaking it, it doesn't mean it's ruining it, it's simply shutting off your PSP. So once it shuts off, turn your PSP back on and go over to network, and as you can see, if it worked and if you did everything correct, there should be a Facebook icon like shown in this video. And you can start it up if you want. You're going to need an internet connection to access the internet on your PSP. As you can see, I have an internet connection, so I can simply just start it up. And as you can see, it's not the regular Facebook page. It's actually a mobile version of Facebook. And I'm not sure if you could chat or not, but you can post comments, you can view your inbox, you can reply to messages, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you have a PSP with custom firmware, I suggest you try this. It's pretty cool, and yeah. But like I said, if you try this and if it harms your PSP, which it probably won't, but I'm just saying if it does, and that's a big if, then I'm not responsible, and please don't blame me, and yeah. Okay, YouTubers, well, thanks for watching, and please don't post any mean comments on my videos, even if you don't like this video, maybe even if you don't like me as a YouTube user at all. Please just refrain from bad comments. It's really pointless, and if you like my video, please feel free to rate it, comment on it, and subscribe if you'd like to be updated on my new videos and such. Okay, well, thanks YouTubers for watching. Hope this works, and enjoy your Facebook app. Thanks YouTubers. Bye.